Hey guys, you right keys. We'll be reviewing this article live on Binance, talking about how to get into DeFi, how to get into DeFi, how to buy DeFi coins, how to invest in DeFi. So now, basically, to invest in DeFi, first get the tokens you need from Binance Smart Chain. You need BNB, BEP2, BEP20 to be able to buy these. Then you need a wallet with a dApp browser to be able to trade tokens in exchanges like PancakeSwap, Venus, Uniswap, Wallet, Chronos, uh, uh, Trust wallets. The wallets are endorsed are usually Trust Wallet or MetaMask for the desktop version. So once you have the tokens and the wallet, you can venture safely into the DeFi ecosystem. If feeling lost, you can also learn how to DeFi trade and basics from the Binance Academy. So first of all, we're going to be looking at what are DeFi tokens. So decentralized finance tokens or DeFi tokens are decentralized applications that run on blockchains with smart contracts. They aim to transform banks, exchanges, and other traditional financial systems through the use of cryptocurrencies, reducing or eliminating the need for third parties. So most of the DeFi tokens run on Ethereum blockchains. Users can trade, get loans, earn interest, and more. Despite its hype and outstanding yields, DeFi tokens are considered high-risk investment with high volatility. Some popular DeFi tokens include Uniswap, SushiSwap, Pancake Swap, Cake tokens, RABBTC, DAI, Compound.com, Avalanche, Chainlink, and more. So where do I actually buy these tokens? Looking at you can buy them from DeFi Composite Index. So DeFi Composite Index, the first such the index derivatives product by Binance, allows users to more easily track the fast-growing DeFi protocol tokens listed on the exchange. It also gives one to calculated by using weighted averages of real-time prices and is denominated in USDT. So there's a full list here which you can check out. You can also deposit fiat and trade. So use fiat deposit to add cash balance to your local currency in your Binance account. For the amount deposited, you can immediately complete a spot trade and the available DeFi pairs using Uni, Cake, or any of these. So purchase DeFi tokens directly, buy DeFi tokens with your credit or debit card is another way. So you can now buy and sell DeFi tokens on the move. So Binance, where the world trades and DeFi tokens. Right here it says Binance is fast. Binance world-class matching engine supports 1.4 million orders per second. So these are just some of the perks about utilizing Binance in general. So once you're able to buy these DeFi tokens, you can now store on all these DeFi tokens. You can also trade these DeFi tokens on Binance. These are the above listed tokens are available, or DeFi tokens are available on the Binance platform, which you can easily purchase. You can also earn DeFi tokens, earn reward by staking tokens or coins on the Binance and platform. You can also learn more on Binance and DeFi tokens on the Binance Academy. Talks about what do most people do after buying. There are three popular options: you can stake, lend, or gaming. You can start buying. When you click on start now, it's going to take you directly to the Binance and platform where you get to uh, push through with your investment. Now, one major note here is that for countries with restrictions on buying cryptocurrencies, you want to utilize the P2P section where you buy either BTC, USDT, or any of these popular coins or listed coins on the P2P peer-to-peer section. So once you're able to buy them, you can now go over to your sports wallet, or you go over to the conversion section on Binance. You can now convert these, or you go over to the sports wallet or trading sports section. You can now convert these. Let's say you buy USDT stablecoin. You can now check for pairs USDT as against Cake, or as against Uni, as against Avax, Avalanche, Bitcoin, Wrap Bitcoin, Sushi Swap, or more. So you can, that's how basically how to go about this. Then you can now decide to hold these tokens. You can stake them. You can also lend these tokens. You can utilize them in game fee and more, guys. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section. Keys, peace out. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. See you in our future uploads. Do hope this is helpful and beneficial to you. I'll be dropping the link in the description box for more updates on Binance and more, guys. You also get sign up bonus up to $100. Peace out, one love, and stay tuned, guys. Goodbye, Keys.